3 years ago, MSI introduced noise cancellation technology, earning widespread praise. Now, we proudly unveil the Pro version, AI Noise Cancellation Pro, which not only cancels noise but does so directionally. Before using AI Noise Cancellation Pro, confirm that your MSI Center is version v.2.0.32.0 or newer. If not, update MSI Center via the Microsoft Store and relaunch it. After the update, just go to the feature sets to install the AI Noise Cancellation Pro on specific models. MSI AI Noise Cancellation offers two-way noise cancellation, allowing you to cancel noise from the speaker and transmit from the microphone simultaneously. Choose your audio device and mode for clear sound during conversations. Additionally, enable auto volume balance for speaker noise cancellation, or activate voice amplifier mode to boost your voice without amplifying background noise. The microphone section includes the new feature in Pro version. Studio EQ simulates the recording room's acoustics to improve the quality of vocals, podcasts, and more. You can easily assess quality with the intuitive user interface. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a vocal recording test to check the clarity, volume, and tone of the MSI AI Noise Cancellation Pro. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a vocal recording test to check the clarity, volume, and tone of the MSI AI Noise Cancellation Pro. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a vocal recording test to check the clarity, volume, and tone of the MSI AI Noise Cancellation Pro. The directional features vary from the microphone design. Complete functionality is currently available only in the Business and Productivity series, comprising Summit, Prestige, Commercial, and Modern Age series. Select Conference Enhancer. Specify the location of attendees. For example, choose front plus right. Vocals from other directions and noise will be canceled out.
I'm positioned right to
Testing.
laptop.
I'm seated in front of the
Recently,
laptop.
I've
The weather today is sunny and perfect for a trip to the park.
acquired the skills to utilize the Creator application for my projects.
It's particularly convenient when communicating in crowded environments. Even when gathered with numerous attendees in a room, your laptop can function as a conference call device. It ensures crystal clear sound delivery regardless of distance or volume. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're recording at different distances and angles to evaluate its performance in various conditions. Testing 1, 2, 3. We're recording at different distances and angles to evaluate its performance in various conditions. When using an external microphone, only standard and studio EQ modes are supported. Hope you've learned to master AI Noise Cancellation Pro to assist you in various situations.